right now at homedepot.com, you can get the Milwaukee Rocket Light 1.0, not the brand new one that is just being released, and an 8.0 amp hour battery for $199 total. That seemed like a screaming deal. In the store, they were asking $229 and just for the light, and the rep was there, and he's like, "Oh, but if you buy the light, we'll give you a free battery." And that's when I went on homedepot.com. I saw it was even $30 cheaper on homedepot.com. I'll put the link in this video just in case if anybody else is interested. Obviously, I don't get any money from it. I just thought it was a great deal, wanted to share it, and that's about it. So there you go. It is getting close to Black Friday and Cyber Monday and all that, if that exists in this pandemic environment. I don't think it really does anymore, but yeah, anyway, happy shopping. Let's do an unboxing of this bad boy. You can see the little Milwaukee razor knife I have. I've got a bunch of these things kicking around. Hard to go without that on a job site. I'm excited about this light. I've not had anything really like this. I have some LED lights that I use, but they're much smaller. They don't have their own stand. Oh wow. Oh, that's pretty cool. This thing is big. I think what I really like most about this light is that, I mean, you could set it up, you could use it for all kinds of stuff. You're working on your truck, set it up, angle the light, head of the light down, work on a project inside, you know, drywalling the ceiling or whatever. The legs are nice and sturdy. Just pop a battery in. See what happens. Oh, let there be light. It works. That is really cool. So it's telescopic. Trying to figure out. There's two releases right here. I got those released. Now I've just got to get this head. Ah, there we go. Boy, the tolerances are tight on this construction. I don't want to blind you out. But yeah, this thing angles fore and aft and obviously turns 360 degrees. And that is really cool. The thing I am noticing about the engineering of this is the octagon lens here at the top, your main light. It really only goes, it wants to go into the shroud one way. And so if you turn it the wrong way, which would be this way, and you try and have it go down, it actually starts to rub on the shroud molding here. So if, you know, people aren't paying attention, you can push it into place. It's not easy to get out, so I don't recommend it. So if it goes down and it's hitting that, just turn it. Boom. Unlike the new Rocket Light that it just has more buttons and such, this just has a power button. I don't see anything else on here, and you could turn it on. One click for high, medium, low, ultra low. Oh no, I think it was just three. I think it was the ambient light. So there's high, there's medium, there's low, yeah, and there's off. So 3 settings for it. My understanding, you could plug this bad boy into the wall, so you could run it off AC power as well as DC power, your battery, onboard battery. I did hear some people saying that you can't put a 12 amp hour battery on this thing. I don't know if that's true or not. The biggest battery I have is 9 amp hour, and I know the 9 amp hour fits. You got your locks. Lock that back up. The little handle here is ready to transport. Boom. Look at that. I'm rocking and rolling. I'm ready to go.